A must-have lineup of Ford trucks and SUVs is opening up new possibilities for customers to imagine, build, and showcase the ride of their dreams with Ford Custom Garage, a new, easy way for vehicle owners to personalize their Ford with exclusive, limited edition appearance and performance upgrades. The first Ford Custom Garage packages are now available at Ford dealerships across North America, kicking off with matte black and Sinister bronze options for the Bronco. Each complete kit can be ordered with a single part number, covering everything needed to customize a new or existing vehicle, from wheels to engine tuning. The matte black and Sinister bronze packages include a 2-inch off-road leveling suspension kit from Ford Performance Parts, 517 by 8.5-inch custom wheels with black lug nuts, custom grille letter caps, badges, and smoked Ford oval, extended fender flares, an upgraded spare tire carrier. Each Ford Custom Garage package is priced at $5,200 MSRP, excluding the 35-inch Goodyear All-Terrain tires, which are sold separately, as well as dealer labor.